My brothers, if you remember, you received an invitation, all right. But this invitation wasn't from some petty king. The invitation wasn't from some petty queen who rules over a few acres of land. The invitation wasn't even from the Bushes and the Clintons of this world. You received the invitation, all right. The invitation was from a king. A king who rules over all kings. It was from a king who rules over all worlds, who rules over this world, who rules over the next world, who rules not just over your heart, he rules not just over your body, he rules over your heart, he rules over your soul, he rules over your spirit. It was from the Lord of the heaven and the earth. It was from the Lord of the Arsh and Kursi. It was from the Lord of the universe. It was from the Almighty Allah. O Musliman, why is there no excitement on your face now? Why is there no noor on your face now? Why is there no joy on your face now? You received an invitation. It was from the Lord of the heaven and the earth. It was from the Lord of the Arsh and Kursi. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala didn't send a letter through the post. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the best of creation to you. Inna arsalnaka shahidun wa mubashshirun wa nadhira wa da'iyan ila Allah bi'iznihi wa sirajan munira. He sent the best of creation to you. He sent the most beloved person to him, the most beloved and most dearest person to him. He sent none other than our Prophet Muhammad salawatullahi wa salamuhu alayhi, the very person that even the likes of Musa, that even the likes of Isa salawatullahi alayhim prayed. O Allah, make us from amongst his ummah. O Allah, make us from amongst those that received this invitation from him. This is who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent to your door. This is who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent knocking on my door. And the invitation wasn't on a piece of card to the most in gold lettering. The invitation was in the form of a miracle. A miracle yesterday, a miracle today. It will remain a miracle till the day of judgment. The invitation was in the form of a Quran, the book that caused a revolution in every corner of the world. And this is what the invitation read. Inni ana Allah, la ilaha illa ana fa'budni. O Musliman, O Insan, I am the Almighty Allah. There is no God worthy of worship but I. O Insan, I am the King of all kings. O Insan, I invite you. Aqimis salata li dhikri, aqimis salata li duluki shams. Inna salata kanat ala al-mu'minina kitabun mawquta. Ya ayyuha alladhina amanu ista'inu bis sabri was salah. O Insan, I the King of all kings invite you. I invite you to my palace. I invite you to my gathering. I invite you to come and spend time with me 5 times a day. I invite you, come and converse with me. Come and speak with me in qiyam. Come and speak with me in ruku. Come and speak with me in prostration. Come and speak with me in tashahud. O insan, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. This was why I created you, so that you spend your time with me. كُلُّ نَفْسٍ ذَائِقَةُ الْمَوْتِ. And remember, this gathering will not be for a long while. This is a very short gathering. And when this gathering comes to an end, just like every other gathering, just like tonight, there will be a dawah. After that gathering, there will be a dawah. And that dawah will not take place in some petty palace. It will take place in a place bigger, in a place billions of times bigger than this earth, which amazes you.